Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how do you extract text from the images. Okay, I'm going to show you several easy methods. So I've run this sample image. Here you can see that there are some quotes written and I want to extract these text. So how do I do it? Okay, so method number one. Okay, method number one is that first of all you have to click on start, and this works for all version of Windows. Open Microsoft Store. Okay, I'm going to show you one app. Here you can write the app name is Photo Scan. I will share the link of all these apps in the description as well, so that you can also see. Okay, so this is the app. You can look at the icon closely and okay, so I've already installed it. If you haven't installed it, one button option will show up here. It will show in option install button. Then you okay, once installed you have to open the app. Okay, this is the app. The user interface is very easy, as you can see. What you have to do is just select the photo. Select the photo, like this is the photo, and see, you can get the text here. Like you can copy and you can paste wherever you want. Like if I want the text to be copied in a Word document, then I can just paste like this. The only one thing with this is that you got to adjust the formatting. Like this was the code, and this was the method number one, in which you will need an image to extract the text, and the image should be in the form of JPG or PNG file. Okay, now I'm going to show you method number two. Okay, so suppose this is a image. I'm just giving you an example, and I want to extract the text out of this image. So the problem with some pages is that we cannot save the images in the form of JPG format. Okay, even if I try. Okay, just see, I will right click on it, save images, desktop. Okay, so I'm writing it as picture. Okay, but the file format you see is WEBP file, which will not work for that app. We can try. Okay, I just saved the image in desktop. Here you can see, but if I open this app and I will try to select that picture, let's see it works. See, try an image file format. Make sure to mail us if you have any problem. So the issue with this app is that you cannot you can only use JPG file format. Other version will not work. So how do you do it? Okay, so suppose again this is the image. I found it somewhere on the internet, and I just want to extract the text out of it. So what I will do is open snipping tool. It is available in all version of Windows, like snipping tool. Again, just click on new. You can just select the area or image, whatever you want. Suppose I want this much, I want this much. Okay, suppose I'm just selecting this area. Okay, so this is a hidden tool of Windows. Like most people don't know about it, but it's very useful. Okay, you can do some editing as well if you want, like etc etc. Okay, and I will save this image on desktop, write it as sample 2. Okay, now the best part is the file format for this is a JPG. Let's see. Let me check. Show more options. Properties. Yeah, it's JPG and PNG. PNG and JPG file format works for this app, but other file format doesn't work. Okay. So let me show you. This is the image which I directly right clicked and tried to save, but it showed me an error. So now I will select the another picture, this sample 2, which I saved using a snipping tool. See, it works. You can directly select the text and copy and paste it. Okay, but if I directly try to choose the image which was available here, this, it showed me an error. So it's better to use snipping tool in case if you are unable to save the file in the form of JPG or PNG file. Okay, and I'm going to show you one more interesting thing. I'm not able to find a website, but let me show you. There are many websites where here you can select the text, but in some websites you cannot select the text. Okay, so and you have difficult time copying the text. So how do you do that? Okay, so in that case what I suggest you is that uh, taking the snap of the screen and putting it in the photo scan app, it will take you a lot of time. So what I say, just click on Ctrl plus P, Ctrl plus P, and here you can directly select the text and copy and paste. Okay, here in this website you must be wondering like why am I doing this. In this website we can select the text, but there are some websites where we cannot select the text, and taking the snap and putting it in the photo scan app, then extracting the text will take you a lot of time. So just to save, for example, in the websites where you are asked for quizzes, I have got one website, let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to show you that there are several websites where you cannot select the text. Like here in this website, if I try to click it, I'm able to select the text, copy and paste wherever I want. But there are several websites where you cannot directly select the text. Like see, even if I try to click and select, I will not able to select the text. So I have two methods here to extract the text. Okay, method number 1 is that I take the snap of this paragraph, then I use the photo scan app, then extract it like this. Method number 1 is okay, I save it on, this is the method 1. Suppose I will pick, okay, so this is method number 1. I will open this photo scan app, I'll go to browse photo and select pick. Okay, see, now I'm able to select the text, but it's quite lengthy way. So I am going to show you one shortcut method. You don't need any app or app, you don't need any app to extract the text. Okay, so what you have to do is just click Ctrl plus P. What? Ctrl plus P. So the command for printing the page. Okay, so you don't have to print the page, you will get this option if you can see. Okay, you will get this option, or save as PDF, or it might ask you don't have to do anything. Now see, you can select the text, just click on copy and paste it wherever you want. But see, earlier I am not able to select the text. Now if I click Ctrl plus P, see, I am able to select the text. and I also can save it as PDF if I want to understand it deeply or select the text accordingly. So I hope you find the video helpful. Thank you.